Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Here we need to detect the loop in the linked list. In the loop in the sense is the last pointer pointing to another node in the linked list. That means there exists a loop. Ignore about this position. We don't need it. And they didn't mention in the function too. So there is a classic way to solve this slow and fast pointers where one points to the first node and another points to the second node, where the fast node is two steps ahead of the slow. So every time we move from fast, we'll go from two steps, and a slow pointer is one step behind. And if the fast pointer gets to the last node first, and after that if there is a loop, it will go back to the point where it came from once. So there is a possibility where these two pointers become equal, and that's where we'll find the loop. And in the end return false because there is no way these are going to be in a cycle. So let us wait and see if this works. uh, yeah, I think my internet is quite slow today. For the initial case, let us submit this, and if it works for all the edge cases and all, so this solution works. Please remember the slow and fast algorithm, or rabbit and hare. Sorry, rabbit and tortoise algorithm. This is also called as. So that's how you solve it. Hope you understood, and thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.